With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, the question here it is saying the pre-functional development occurs in which of the following? Embryo, fetus, infant, adult. So pre-functional development, that is which occurs at the hour before birth. Okay, the pre-functional development occurs before birth, so it will be not be our adult, not our infant, so either it will be fetus or embryo. Now after the fusion, what happens? Zygote is formed, we know that. Now zygote develops into our embryo. Okay, this embryo further develops and get implanted to our mother's womb to become form the fetus. Okay, form the fetus. Now just after the fertilization of our sperm and ova, okay, ova will lead to our formation of zygote. So this is our zygote. Now, in case of embryo, what happens? It is a greater stage in zygote. Now, embryo, the development, pre-functional development, if we see, it occurs in our embryo. Now, why embryo? Because eventually embryo will form the fetus and the fetus will form our young body. Okay, from the embryo, it happens. Okay, so fetus will form the young body. So we can say, we can say that the embryo is where the place our pre-functional development occurs. So the correct option is option number 1, not the option number 2. That is embryo. Our answer is option number 1.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.